The new all-electric Dodge Charger Daytona has already made waves in the automotive world, and it's not even fully available to the public yet. This revolutionary model represents a big shift for the brand, embracing electric power while keeping the iconic Charger name alive. As with any major car release, the aftermarket scene has quickly sprung into action, and now, Waido Kits has unveiled the first widebody kit designed specifically for this electric muscle car. Waido Kits, a US-based tuning company known for its aftermarket body kits, has previewed a dramatic widebody conversion for the Charger Daytona through a series of renderings. The kit is designed to give the Daytona a more aggressive, imposing look and features several modifications, including a more pronounced front splitter, new front quarter panels, and custom side skirts. One of the standout elements of the kit is the pair of flared rear quarter panels, which add extra width and an enhanced muscular stance to the already powerful-looking Charger Daytona. While Waido Kits hasn't shared specific details on how much wider the Charger Daytona will be after installation, the modifications are sure to make it look significantly more aggressive. In addition to the front and side modifications, the widebody kit includes a new rear diffuser and a fixed rear wing to improve aerodynamics and further accentuate the car's sporty profile. Some of the parts in this kit, such as the diffuser, are made from forged carbon fiber, which adds a high-performance touch to the look. To top it all off, the renderings show off custom wheels with forged carbon aero discs, completing the radical new appearance. Waido Kits is no stranger to offering widebody kits for other vehicles, including the Tesla Cybertruck, Ford Explorer, and previous generation Dodge Charger and Challenger models. This widebody kit for the Daytona marks a bold new direction, signaling that electric muscle cars are now being customized in ways that were once reserved for their gas-powered counterparts. Although Waido hasn't confirmed pricing yet, their past widebody kits have ranged in price from $1,790 to as much as $9,990, depending on the vehicle. So, we can expect the Daytona kit to land somewhere in the middle. As Dodge enthusiasts continue to embrace the new electric era, the first widebody kit for the Charger Daytona is sure to turn heads and offer owners a chance to customize their vehicles in a way that's never been seen before. With deliveries starting, expect more companies to follow suit with their own modifications for this groundbreaking vehicle.